Hello friends, today's topic cloud computing presented by Dr. Phonar Prashant Lakshman Rao. Now we will see the cloud computing. Cloud computing is the delivery of computing as a service rather than a product whereby shared resources, software and information are provided to computers and other devices as a material service or a network. Cloud computing provides computation, software, data access, and storage resources without requiring cloud users to know the location and other details of the computing infrastructure. End users access cloud based applications through a web browser or a lightweight desktop or mobile app, while the business software and data are stored on servers at a remote location. Cloud application provides drive to give the sum of better service and performance as if the software programs were installed locally or end user computers. At the foundation of cloud computing is the broader concept of infrastructure coverage, convergence, and shared services. Cloud computing service models, these are the service models. Cloud computing providers offer their services according to their three fundamental models: infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, and software as a service. Where IaaS is the most basic and each higher model abstracts from the details of the lower models. Infrastructure as a service, that is the IaaS, then platform as a service PaaS, and software as a service SaaS. Development model, these are the four development model: public cloud, computing, community cloud, hybrid cloud, and private cloud. These are the issues related to cloud computing. That is the most important issue: privacy, then security, compliance, and legal. Using a cloud service providers CSP can complicate privacy of data because of the extent to which virtualization for cloud processing and cloud storage are used to implement cloud service. That is the privacy issue. Then security, the effectiveness and efficiency of traditional protection mechanism are being recognized as the characteristics of these innovative development model can differ widely from those of traditional architectures. Then compliance, in order to obtain compliance with regularization including FISMA, HIPAA, and SOC in the United States, the data protection directives in the EU, and the credit card industries PCI DSS. Users may have to adopt community or hybrid development modes that are typically more expensive and may offer restricted benefits. And legal issues, center legal issues arises everything from trademark infringement, security concern, to the sharing to private property data resources. Thank you very much, friends.